Today I have two short and sweet DIYs, and for DIY number one, I'm gonna take this flat surface, and it is a planter, and I'm gonna take FolkArt flat in coconut milk. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint it completely just like this, going all around, covering it completely and the sides, but not the inside. Here we have it. I'm gonna let it dry, and while that's drying, I'm gonna mix my terrazzo flakes in terracotta, brown and yellow, and also in green. I'm just gonna mix them together like this, just adding a little bit of them together like that. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it with my hands. While I have this mixing around, we have our vase ready, or planter, and I'm gonna take the sealer, and this one is the matte sealer, and I'm gonna add it like that. Then I'm gonna take my terrazzo flakes, and I'm just gonna go all around it, just adding them like this. I'm just making it like a little bit of it at a time. Oh my goodness, a little bit at a time. So I just can't add to all of them before the sealer dries, because this one dries really quick and it is so awesome. Let me just add more so you can see it, and I'm just gonna go all around it doing that, moving around the ones that need to be moved. And then after I finish, I'm gonna take my sealer again, and I'm just gonna cover this completely, because this sealer is glue and sealer at the same time. I'm adding a little bit more of those flakes here and there just to cover all the spaces, and here you can see it. Now for DIY number two, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this beautiful surface, and this one is a clay thingy that I made. It's like a trinket tray. We're gonna take our flakes, and we're gonna take our sealer, our matte sealer that it is glue and sealer at the same time. I just applied it all around, took my beautiful flakes mix, and started just sprinkling that little by little, just to make sure that I don't have clumps of those terrazzo flakes. Let me just add a little bit more here and there, and I'm just going to continue doing this and moving the ones that need to be moved, so I can make sure that they are where I want them. Now I'm just going to take my sealer, and I'm going to give it a good coat all over. Now it's time for the final reveal. And here you can see them together, and these are the line of terrazzo flakes. Here you can see both sealers, and you can see all of them, and I just love them. But here you can see the beautiful planter that I made and the beautiful trinket tray. I think terrazzo is perfect for fall. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And that's it for today. Remember, let me know in the comments below what you think. I'll see you on the next video, probably tomorrow. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.